let's talk about biscuits. What's up everybody? My name is Brendan and I'm going to talk to you about biscuits today. So here's the thing. I'm in Narayan campus, so I don't have the most accessible kitchen to work with for this video. It isn't going to be your typical how to bake biscuits prep video. Today I'm going to explain to you what the biscuit method is and the science behind making perfect biscuits. So here's the typical ingredients you need for the biscuit method. You need flour to provide strength and texture to the dough resulting from the gluten in the flour. Baking powder is used as a leavening agent, so when moistened, start to react and form carbon dioxide gas within the dough and allow it to rise. You need salt to enhance flavor. You need sugar to keep the dough soft and moist by locking in moisture when sugar molecules form a chemical bond with water. You need milk because it has proteins that creates a strong batter, and it also has sugar and fats which will help tenderize and moisten the biscuit. Last but not least, you need a cold source of fat. Usually it's butter or shortening, but you need the fat to impede the formation of long elastic gluten strands, which in normal quick breads, it gives strength and a chewy texture to it. But for this case, we don't want that. We want our biscuits to be very flaky and very tender. Now this is where the biscuit method differentiates from all the different mixing methods. The biscuit method uses a specific term to describe the way that we cut the butter into the dry ingredients. So you cut the butter either using a fork, 2 knives, you can use your fingertips to try to cut the butter into the dry ingredients, making them into little pea-sized shapes. By cutting in the cold butter, when you cut the cold butter into the dough, you get all these little fat pockets, all these pockets of butter. When it starts baking in the oven, it's going to melt and release steam, and all that steam is going to help add extra layers to the biscuit. It makes it rise really tall like that. Now when you use soft butter, you don't have any of these anymore. So your finished product is going to be really flat. So this is a finished product. If you turn it to the side, you kind of see the different layers to it. That's what happens when you knead the dough and you layer on top of each other.